And this video is for Stain Proof by Dry Treat. They've changed the packaging on this, but this is a sealer, dense stone impregnating sealer for granite, quartz, and multiple other stones and countertops, mosaics, showers, anything like that. Very easy to use. It's got a 25-year warranty on it when you use it on countertops, but very easy to use. The directions are on the back of the sticker if you peel that off. But what we're going to do is put 2 coats on here. First, you're going to use a lamb's wool cloth like this, and our first coat we're going to do is, you can't put too much on, but just put a little bit on the cloth and rub it in until the countertop gets wet looking, kind of like a mirror. Just make sure you're going over everywhere. You can get all the top. This isn't a very big counter. You can use this on your kitchen counters as well, but we wanted to get this done on this vanity. But get all the edges and everywhere. And what we're going to do is let this sit and soak in for 5 to 7 minutes, and then we'll come back and do it one more time. And here we go with the second coat. We're gonna put a little bit more on, and it's been about 5 or 7 minutes. We're just gonna get it wet one more time and make sure we get all areas of the countertop, edges and everywhere, so that way that second coat can soak in and really take advantage of that warranty. Then we'll give this about 10 minutes and then do a little buffing. Okay, so it's been about 10 minutes, and what we're gonna do is take a couple microfiber cloths and buff it off. We're gonna polish up the counter as well as remove any excess that was put on. So now we'll get some of that excess that was on the faucets and in all the areas. But there's just gonna be a little film that's on the counter you're just trying to remove, and at the same time polish it up, make it nice and shiny. Once again, you're gonna need at least 6 hours to stay off of this with using any kind of moisture or water, getting any water on it. At least 6 hours, and then 24 hours to cure, to where you can start using your faucet again, and any drips and stuff like that. But this is Stain Proof by Dry Treat.